Question number 5. The first term of an AP. Okay, the first term of an AP is 5 and last term is 45. Sum is given as 400. Find number of terms n and common difference d. Okay, so according to the question, we got an value. An or Tn both are same only. Okay, so An and L, Tn all are same. So here Sn is given as 400. Since you know the value of L, so we can apply this formula. N by 2 into A plus L is equal to 400. So N by 2 into A value is 5 and L value is 45, which is equal to 400. So N by 2 into 5 plus 45 is nothing but 50. 50 is equal to 400. Now 1010 gets cancelled. 5 1 times, this is 8 times. Now this 2 when you transpose 8 into 2, so 8 2s are 16. So the value of n is nothing but 16. We got 16 number of terms. And to find the common difference, you know an and L both are same. So an is equal to 45. N is nothing but 16. So A16 is equal to 45. A16 is nothing but A plus 15D. A16 means A plus 15D, which is equal to 45. Apply the value of A as 5. So 5 plus 15D is equal to 45. So 5 when you transpose 45 minus 5, you will be getting 40. So 15D is equal to 40. D is equal to 40 by 15. When you cancel in third table, you will be getting the value of D as 8 by 3. Next, question number. Next question number 6. So here the first and last term of an AP. First term is given and last term is given. So we common difference is also given. How many terms are there? N we have to find out, and their sum Sn we have to find. So we know the value of An and we know the value of A, An and D. So we have to find out n. So how will you find? We can find by using the formula n is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. In that formula also you can find out, and then after finding n you can find out what Sn. Okay, so you try in this formula L minus A by D plus 1. Okay, now coming to next question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms. 22nd term means A22. First 22 terms total. So that means S22 we have to find out. S22 in which common difference is given, and 22nd term. See here 22nd term, that means A22 is given as 149. A22 or T22 both are same only. So n is equal to 22 because they have already given there are 22 terms, and A22 is given as 149 and D value is given as 7. So let us apply in so if it is 22nd term, so A22 let me do in notepad. Okay, so sum of first 22 terms. So A22 is nothing but A plus 21D. 22nd term is given as 149. 149 is equal to, what is A value that we don't know. So A plus 21 into D value is 7. So 7. Now 21 into 7. What is 21 into 7? 147. So 147, if we bring this side, what will happen? 149 minus 147 is equal to A. So 2 is equal to A. We got the value of A as 2. So once if we know A and D and if we know N, we can apply in the Sn formula. So what is Sn formula? Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So n value 22 terms. So S22 only we have to find out. So 22 by 2 into A value, just now we got 2. And what is last term? 22nd term is given as 149. That we have to apply here. So here this and this when we cancel, you will be getting 11, and 2 plus 149 is nothing but 151. So which is nothing but 1661. Okay, so in this manner you have to solve this. Okay, next question number Question number 8. Okay. Question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms. So S51 we have to find out. Second and third term is given. A2 and A3 is given. So with the help of A2 and A3, you can do by elimination method and you find out A value. And after finding the A value, find S51. N value is 51 and you will be getting A value and D value by elimination method. Apply that and you can easily find out what is S51. So let me find out A value and D value using notepad and you find out what is S51. Okay. Now so what is given here? Second term A2. A2 means A plus 1D is given as 14. And third term, that means third term means A plus 2D is given as how much? 18. So this and this gets cancelled. 1D minus 2D minus 1D is equal to, when we simplify this we will be getting minus 4. So minus minus gets cancelled, D value is equal to 4. When we apply D value here in any one of the equation, A plus 4 is equal to 14. A plus 4 is equal to 14. So when we transpose this 4 to the other side, we will be getting 14 minus 4. So A value is 10. So in such a manner you will be getting the other problems also. Okay, now coming to question number 9. Question number 9. If the sum of, very important sum, if the sum of first 7 terms, so S7 is given as 49 and that of 17 terms, S17 is given as 289. So we have to find out the sum of first n terms. So S7 means we have to apply Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 7 minus 1 is nothing but 6d, which is equal to 49. So what will happen, this 7 by 2 value transposed to the other side becomes 2 by 7. So let me do in notepad. So actually sum of first 7 terms, S7 is equal to 49. So 7 by 2, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n value is 7. 7 minus 1 is 60, which is equal to 49. So this 7 1 times, this is 7 times. This 2 we have to cross multiply to the other side. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 into 2 is nothing but 14. Let us divide throughout by 2 all. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is one equation, first equation. Now coming to next one, 17 terms. So S17 is nothing but 289. S17 means 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d is equal to 289. So 17 1 times, this is 17 times. 17 17s are 289. So when we multiply this to that side, 2a plus 16d is equal to 17 2s are 34. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 2 gets cancelled. Here 2 1 times, 8 times. This is 17 times. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. So this is one of the equation. So when you solve that by using elimination method, you will be getting a d value as 2 and a value as 1. Then sum of n terms. So Sn we have to find out. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of n terms only they are asking you to prove us, asking you to find out. So n you keep it as n itself. So n by 2 into what is a value that you apply and what is d value that you apply. So now let me apply. You find, you just see how I am applying. Sn formula, this is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n you have to assume it as n only, that only we have to find out. And what is a value? A value we got it as by using elimination method. The value of a is 1 plus n minus 1 into the value of d we got it as 2. So here n by 2, 2 ones are 2 plus you multiply this to this inside 2n, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, now this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So n by 2 into 2n. So inside only 2n is left out. Now this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. N into n is nothing but n square. So we got the value of Sn as n square. That's all. Okay, thank you.